One to regret looking at. Got an 2002 Ford F150. Spring purchase. They're rusted off. These things in Minnesota, they're so rusted in there, they are hell to get out. Sometimes they just don't come out. I'm not looking forward to this. I don't even want to do a video on it. It's going to be ugly. I can smell the ugly. This is a 21. Oh, this thing's not going to want to move. No, these are rusted right in. I don't know, I'll try to get this leaf spring off of here. This one probably ain't going to come off either. This one I'll be able to get out. Ooh, I got it. There's a loud person in my driveway. Should I be scared?
I'm going to tell you when it's up. Accessible.
Come in. Hello.
I don't have your phone number, so I'm driving by.
Your shit's loud.
Well, that's why I'm here, Rick. Is it loud?
Why is your shit so loud?
Oh, I like it that way. No, I don't know if it's like a hole needs patching or if it's like...
I'm supposed to put that bolt on the other way. I'm probably supposed to put this shackle on the leaf spring first and then put it on this.
Right.
So yeah, it's really close. I'm just gonna whack off a chunk.
Sure, yeah, at the end of the threading.
That way
Tighten it up a little bit more.
Yeah, try to make my life a little easier here. Well, there it is. It's done. I can see what I accomplished. I don't know if anybody's going to learn anything from this, but yeah, that's the only part on this whole truck that doesn't have rust on it. So it's nice.